It is amazing. This building, I have watched it from the ground up because my office has been across the street for the last several months. And just to watch the quality of work going into it and now seeing it as it's almost done, it just is going to be an amazing addition to our neighborhood. So before Roxbury Prep started building, I mean, this was a vacant kind of dumping ground area that really did not look good for the neighborhood. And being right next to the park, we always looked at it and said, you know, there's got to be something better that can go here. So when Roxbury Prep first broached the idea of coming, we jumped on. We were 100% supportive. We look at it as a changing point for the neighborhood. That, you know, what we have here, we have a lot of residents, we have a lot of industrial uses, and we have this amazing park that is going to be even more amazing. And now you've got 800 plus students coming here every single day. Talk about vibrancy and bringing more excitement to the neighborhood. It's just wonderful. Well, that's one of the things we're most excited about is when you talk about catalysts. You've got Roxbury Prep, you've got the base that just bought their building, and they facilitate students getting further along, not only in baseball, but in college and academics and all. We've got the Fairmont line that we're excited. They just determined they're going to electrify by 2028, and that will mean that it'll be on rapid transit schedule. So this is an area that's been underserved forever in that. You look at some of the others, we've got a life sciences project going up. We've got a mixed use project going that just is in the process of getting permitted. We've got so many different things exciting now that it's wonderful. And what a lot of people don't know is that where we're standing is just about the geographical center of the city of Boston. And to have Roxbury Prep here and have this whole area changing is huge.
The hub of the hub.
The hub of the hub.
Yes.